Looking for a free 2000 calorie meal plan? Actually, even better, looking for a 2000 calorie Indian meal plan? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Vatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. I say self-taught because everything I have learned and I teach on this channel is through reading, experimenting, trial and error, and years of experience. If you are a working professional or a college student looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle, and improve your life overall, then you are in the right place. Every week, I'm going to be sharing delicious low-calorie Indian recipes which you can add straight into your diet, and also fitness-related content broken down into simple terms that help me to go from this to this, and also personal self-improvement habits, because I am just like you, trying to get better every day. So please do consider subscribing. With that, let's jump into the video. Okay, this is a video I know you guys are going to love. One of the biggest complaints that I get from a lot of people is that dieting is hard, it's boring, it's difficult, and it's flavorless food. And honestly, guys, it does not have to be that way, I promise you. And this is something I always teach my clients, and I'm trying to teach you as well, that you can eat your favorite foods, and as long as you're hitting your calories and your macros every single day, you are still going to see your body change and you're still going to continue making progress. So in today's video, I've put together a meal plan which not only will help you reach your fat loss results, but these are all meals that we love. These are all meals that we've had since we were kids, and most importantly, it will not even feel like you're dieting. So without further ado, let's first go over the total calories and the macronutrient breakdown for the entire meal plan, and then we will go over each of the meals. This entire meal plan is 1986 calories, of which 214 grams are carbs, 62 grams are fat, and 143 grams are protein. So definitely a high protein diet. Also, one more thing I do want to add before we move on to the meals is that I am going to breeze past the making of some of the meals in this video. The only reason for that is that I didn't want to make this a 20-minute long video, but I do have dedicated videos for those meals. So if you want an elaborate version of the recipe, all you need to do is click on the link that I provide as and when I talk about the meal. And also I will link each of the recipes, the elaborate version of the recipes, in the description below. With that, let us now jump into the 2000 calorie meal plan. The first meal is going to be multigrain dosa with peanut chutney. Initially, you want to soak the green moong, tur dal, chana dal, and rice together in water either overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours. Blend it with green chilies, cumin seeds, hing, ginger, and also a little bit of water until you get a consistency as such. Shift the batter to a bowl and add salt and mix well. Now move that aside and let's work on the chutney. In a grinder, add roasted peanuts, green chilies, curry leaves, cilantro, garlic, and a little bit of tamarind. Blend until the chutney is smooth by adding some water and salt for taste. At this point, it should look something like this. Transfer that into a bowl and your peanut chutney is ready. It's now time to make the dosa. So take a pan, heat on medium flame, and spray some cooking spray. Add the batter, cook until it becomes crispy. Once it's cooked, fold it in half, and there you go. Your multigrain dosa with peanut chutney is all ready. This recipe is to be divided into 2 servings. So if you want to make just 1 serving, then divide all the ingredients by half. And the total calories for 1 serving is 426, of which 48 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 24 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, we're gonna make some delicious chicken fried rice for lunch. So let's take 350 grams of cut boneless and skinless chicken thighs. To that, we're gonna add some salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, garam masala, and finally curd. Mix everything up and set the marination aside for about 20 minutes. On a pan, add half a tablespoon of oil and throw in the marinated chicken and cook on medium flame till it's done. Once it's cooked, set it aside and take another pan and add half a tablespoon of oil again, along with 1 large onion chopped, and saute it for a couple of minutes. We will then add 2 to 3 chopped green chilies and ginger garlic paste and continue sauteing it until the onions turn translucent. Next, we will add 50 grams of chopped carrot and green beans and cook it until the raw smell of the vegetables fade away. After that, we will move the veggies to one end of the pan and add 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites into the pan along with some salt and pepper. Once everything is cooked, we will go ahead and set the flame on low and add the cooked chicken along with 320 grams of cooked rice. And last but not the least, we will add 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce and give it a good mix. And there you go guys, your chicken fried rice is all set to be eaten. Again, this is divided into 2 servings and each serving is 590 calories, of which 58 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 47 grams are protein. Now moving on to the post-workout meal, where you want to be making sure you're getting fast digesting carbs along with good amount of protein. So we're going to do 1.5 scoop of whey protein with plain water along with 1 serving of fruit. My choice of whey was my protein and my choice of fruit was 1 medium apple. This is a total of 230 calories, of which 28 grams are carbs, 0 grams of fat, and 30 grams of protein. And finally, moving on to the final meal of the day, which is going to be Egg Frankies. This is by far my favorite meal. Trust me guys, you will love this. We're going to be taking 1 medium thinly sliced onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, half a cup of thinly sliced bell peppers, and a total of 2 whole eggs and 4 egg whites. On a pan, add half a tablespoon of oil. Once it heats up, go in with the onions, green chilies, and cook it for a bit, and finally add the bell peppers. At this point, you can add the seasonings of your choice. I added just salt, pepper, and chili powder. Once that's done, set it aside and spray some cooking spray onto a pan and add half of the egg mix. Place 1 whole wheat roti on top of it and just cover it for a bit. Flip it both sides and make sure it's cooked. Once that's done, transfer it onto a plate and make 1 more roll with the other half of the egg mix. Add a bit of mayo and ketchup along with the sauteed veggies, roll it up and do the same with the other one, and there you go. You have 2 Egg Frankies ready to be eaten. So for both these Frankies, it's a total of 740 calories, of which 80 grams are carbs, 28 grams are fat, and 42 grams are protein. And there it is, a complete 2000 calorie Indian meal plan. All the recipes are super simple, they're gonna keep you full, and they taste amazing. And what's even better is that you can store some of these meals for the next day too. For example, the chicken fried rice, it's basically 2 servings, so it'll last you for 2 days. It's as simple as that, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the recipes. If you did, please give it a like, please do subscribe. I want to change the way we Indians think about dieting, and through these videos, that's my hope. So if you did like the video, please share it, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.